Welcome to a new video from BuyFromFox. Do you have a Yelp account and can't access it? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access your account easily and in less than a minute. The first thing you need to do is open the email you received from us. Then go to the Yelp website and enter your email address here. But before we continue, if you're looking for Yelp aged accounts, whether with old reviews or without reviews, you have to check out our service on the BuyFromFox website. Go to BuyFromFox, then head to Yelp. And open the product. You'll find we have two options, without reviews and with reviews. All the accounts are over 5 years old. All of them are ready to use accounts. And our team is always there to help you achieve the best results. After you enter the email, click on Login via email link. This way, Yelp will send you a link to your email. The link has arrived. I'll click on it and I'll press Login. And just like that, as you can see, I've opened my account. Here it is. The account is old and has reviews. And as you saw, it's a very simple process. And if you have any questions, you can contact us on live chat or join us on our Discord server. You'll find the Discord link here. Thank you all, and I'll see you in a new video from BuyFromFox.